Hydraulic cylinders are essential components of modern machinery, providing the mechanical force needed to power countless industrial operations. From heavy construction equipment to manufacturing processes, these cylinders play a pivotal role in transforming fluid power into mechanical motion. In this guide, we'll explore the history of hydraulic cylinders, their applications, and how to choose the right one for your needs. The invention of the hydraulic cylinder is rooted in the development of hydraulic systems, first significantly expanded upon by Blaise Pascal in the 17th century. Pascal's law, which states that pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions, laid the groundwork for hydraulic engineering. However, the practical application of hydraulic cylinders emerged during the Industrial Revolution in the 19th century when hydraulic presses and machinery were developed. Early innovators, including Joseph Bramah, contributed significantly to the cylinder's design, especially in hydraulic presses and lifts. Hydraulic cylinders convert fluid power into linear motion. They create mechanical force through hydraulic fluid, allowing machines to push, pull, lift, or tilt heavy loads. Essentially, a hydraulic cylinder is a tube containing a piston that moves back and forth under hydraulic pressure, creating the desired mechanical force. Let's review types of hydraulic cylinders and their uses. Single-acting cylinders exert force in one direction using hydraulic pressure. They're commonly used in jacks and lifts, where gravity or an external force returns the piston to its original position. Double-acting cylinders apply force in both directions, moving the piston forward and backward by alternating hydraulic pressure. They're used in a wide range of applications, from construction equipment to industrial machinery. Telescopic cylinders are multi-stage hydraulic cylinders that can extend further than a standard cylinder. They are widely used in dump trucks and lifting applications where a long reach is required. Tie rod cylinders are often used in industrial applications. These have rods threaded through both ends for greater structural integrity. Welded body cylinders are common in mobile equipment. These are compact and durable, with the cylinder, body, and end caps welded together for increased strength. To determine the size of a hydraulic cylinder, measure the bore size, the internal diameter of the cylinder, stroke length, the distance the piston travels, and rod diameter. These measurements are key to understanding a cylinder's capabilities. Bore size is the diameter of the cylinder where the hydraulic fluid enters. A larger bore size indicates greater force capacity. Stroke length is the distance the piston can extend. This affects how far the cylinder can move the connected object. Rod diameter is the size of the rod that pushes the piston. A thicker rod provides more strength and stability. Hydraulic cylinders often have identification numbers stamped on them. These numbers typically indicate bore size, stroke length, maximum operating pressure, and the part or serial number. These specifications help identify the cylinder's capabilities and can be used to match it with specific applications. Choosing the right hydraulic cylinder depends on the application. You should consider load requirements, operating pressure, mounting style, stroke length, and speed of operation. Double-acting cylinders are the most commonly used type due to their versatility in applying force in both directions. To measure the diameter of a hydraulic cylinder, you need to measure the bore internal diameter of the cylinder. This can be done by removing the cylinder head and using a caliper to measure the inside diameter. Additionally, measure the diameter of the rod for complete sizing information. Understanding hydraulic cylinders, their sizes, and how to choose the right one is essential for ensuring optimal performance in any industrial application. From knowing how to measure their size to determining tonnage and choosing between balanced and unbalanced models, this guide provides all the necessary insights to make an informed decision when selecting a hydraulic cylinder. Whether you're working in construction, manufacturing, or any other industry, hydraulic cylinders will continue to be the backbone of mechanical movement. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that the hydraulic cylinder you choose is perfectly suited to your application, improving efficiency and productivity in your operations. If you're unsure about which hydraulic cylinder is best suited for your needs, our team of expert engineers is here to help. Whether you need assistance with sizing, selecting the right type, or determining load capacity, we can guide you every step of the way. Contact us today for personalized support at 1-888-86-003080